I'm fond of 22-23 Mosaic Fast Break. Pick your color number 16, guys. 4-box break. We're doing the Jags promotion before I rip open the packs, guys, so I don't forget. Dice roll ace deuce or higher. Good luck to you guys. We're going 9 times. Top spot gets into tonight's Jags promotion repacks, guys. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dice roll said 9. Ninth and final. Good luck. Bango, there it is. B Fizzle gets in there. Nice. B Fizzle got in there 9 times on the random. 9 times. B Fizzle. Congratulations. You will be in one of the repack cases tonight, happening starting at 5 p.m. Congratulations, B Fizzle. He's in there like swimwear. Oh, yes, yes. I forgot to mention, it's only available on Hammer's OnlyFriends. Only available on his OnlyFriends account. And the good news is all of you guys are my friends. Anybody see that movie Road Trip in like 1998? I was like in 3rd grade. Damn, man, what did you do? Did you kill a cheetah? I kind of forget, but I remember that part. It's a run for life. I kind of remember. Oh, the French toast. Oh, he put it in his nuts. I remember that part. I haven't watched that movie in like 20 plus years. I was in 3rd grade when I watched that movie. It was like 98, right? 98, 99. I was like in 3rd or 4th grade. I boink. Oh, those college movies are too much. Oh, oh, the French toast. No powdered sugar. Yeah, that's right. I asked for no powdered sugar. That scene totally reminds me of Waiting, though. Waiting was a funny ass movie, cause it was like Waiting was like so true. Oh, if you guys watched Waiting, that movie was oh, the hostess, she was a hammer. The hostess was a hammer. The bitch server, like she was so relatable. Angry at everything, like oh gosh. Wow, this chat's out of control. It's not even 12 p.m. It's not even noon in Pacific time. Oh. name is T-Dog, biatch. That was some classic stuff, though, back in the day. Wait, that was Andy Milonakis' friend was Sean O'Malley? Oh, I was gonna say, I was like, wait. You got me on that. I was like, we did switch movies. We did switch movies, Run for Life. Guys, take everything Jags promotion in the store. Definitely take everything Jags promotion in the store, guys. In a short 5-hour window, Jags will be here with Mini. And you guys will be doing the next round of Jags repacks this time. Excuse me. Is anybody gonna go? Is anybody going to MSG to go support Danger match now? I'm looking into it. I might want to do that. I might want to go to MSG. I've never been to MSG in my life, first of all. But I wouldn't mind going out to go, support Danger. I don't know if anybody's going to that UFC event, but I mean, I can't guarantee I'm going to go. There's like a 20% chance I go, but but I'm down if anybody's planning on going to that UFC. All right, good luck, everybody. David Roddy on a disco. Whoa, whoa. Malachi Branham on the Mosaic. Drew Holiday. Hotel Blue for the Raptors. Steph. First auto. Hey. For the Raptors and the red. Red auto spot. That was on a filler. Red disco auto for Timmy. It's Coloco for the Raptors. Rookie variation of Chet for the Disco, Non, and Dookie. Rollins Disco. Kuzma. Sexton on the purple. And that was box one. The sphere is like this. Literally, it's a huge sphere. They do like concerts and stuff in it. I don't think there's any casinos in it or anything like that I'm aware of. I don't think so. I think it's literally just like a performance sphere. It's pretty badass, I won't lie. Yeah. Thank you, Axel, for my very descriptive verbiage. There's a blue rookie of Christian Brown for the blue. Coach. Nice hit, Coach. 33 of 85. Yeah, it was a very descriptive description. No, it couldn't be a tennis ball because a tennis ball is round, but you know the the sphere, it's shaped as a sphere. So it's two different shapes we're talking about, Axel. You have a ball shape and then you have a sphere type of shape, which also it's 3D, Axel. Just to let you know, if you didn't know it, it's 3D, you know. And then like you can click a button and then there's emojis that pop up on the sphere. Jeremy Grant. And an emoji is like a happy face, and then it's like a sad face, or a suspicious face. Yes, I do. I know the Webster's description of a sphere. Yes. Yes. It's 3D. It's not on a piece of paper, you know. There's a Bull Trap Disco. Chet and Paulo rookies. Maxi. Here's our next auto. Good luck. Old School Rockets. It's Tari Eason for the blue disco auto. Yeah, Hemisphere, yes. I can't tell you those kind of things though, guys, unfortunately. Josh Hart. Photo variation of Shaden. My agent told me that I couldn't review. My agent at Panini told me I couldn't review the new exclusive parallels that we're coming out with, guys. So I mean, I appreciate it if you guys could just, keep it on the down low. Oh boy. Yeah, Photoshop my face on it right there. Oh boy. Purple of Malachi Branham, the Truffle Shuffle. Oladipo blue. Halfway point. You see, I use that face though. that face right there, Harrison and Axel. Let me let you guys in on a little secret. All right. Here's a secret that I can share with all the young aspiring handsome gentlemen and ladies out there. This face is a multi-purpose face, okay? You see this right here? So when you give it the, you can use that when you're approaching a member of the opposite sex, perhaps. So like, how you, baby girl? Or if you're pondering a very large purchase, hey, we can get you into this new, Toyota Supra for 100,000 today. When you look at the salesman, you can be, you can. It has many usages. No, Mikey, blue steel is when I turn left, Mikey. It's you're talking to your buddies this way and then you turn left, That's the blue steel. Disco of Vince Williams. It's not a new handbook, Tobias. It's a work in progress. Markel Fultz. I try to make you guys smile. Try to have fun conversations with everybody. It's Aloha Friday. It's Jags Promotional Friday. We're gonna have a good time for a long time, Larry Marketing. I don't take life too serious, guys. Trust me. It's not in my blood to take life super serious. I just tried it out and it was immediately fired. Tim. If you didn't hear me say this before, Tim, use it at your own discretion, Tim. It's a very powerful tool, Tim. Now, may I suggest that if that's a little bit too strong for your folks' facial features, maybe I could suggest something a little bit more subtle. I call this one the eyebrow razor, dress razor. You just give them that look. What up, baby cakes? You just hit them with a little bit of the rock bottom. Give them that little bit of that eyebrow action. Guarantee. That's a guarantee look. That's a winner look. That's like my secret weapon right there. Ask Miss Hammer. It never fails. Never fails. Forget about it. Isaiah Mobley blue. That's the one that never fails, boys. You want some secret weapons from the handsome Hawaiian? Look. There's Keola. See, look at that. White lightning. See him. Tell him, Keola. Tell him. White lightning never fails. AJ Griffin disco. Killian Hayes disco. I'm glad you don't have to date anymore. Me too, Axel. Me too. I'm glad I don't have to, Nita. I gotta save some of the fish in the sea for all my homies out there, Bryce McGowan's. I'm actually training Esplez right now, because he wants to go to Asia to find himself, his future wife. So he's been hanging out with me a little bit more. I've been giving him some pointers, Purple. Ah, Caleb. The waiver wire is loaded. Yes. Every Wednesday, Mikey. Every Wednesday, take the waiver wire. I want to say something kind of bad to it, but I'm going to shut up. I want to say something to that, but I will not. I will bite my tongue. It's probably not safe for YouTube. All right, last box. Good luck, everybody. There's Minot on the disco. The waiver wire. Apparently Tinder and stuff. Apparently Tinder went down. Bogdanovich. Monty Morris. All the dating apps went down. What's the parlay? Stop playing freaking football because I'm a big loser in football. Like you, like exactly like how you said. Although I did hit a nice Phillies parlay yesterday. And I don't even watch baseball anymore. It's freaking ridiculous. I hit a little five-legger. 10 times, 10 times, 10x. Nice one, nice little hit. Bullock. Something upside down. Is this a 1 of 1 maybe? Or is it just backwards? And it's just backwards. There's a gold. Good luck. Ah. 2019-20 rookie of Grant Williams gold disco non-auto. Stepping stone. 6 of 10 on the Grant Williams. So I take the under on both. I'm not a sweets guy, trust me, but every blue moon, I'll tackle that stuff. Believe it or not, that's actually like my birthday cake. We used to always get the apple with cheese, and then we just put a candle in it, and that would be like my once a year birthday dessert per se. Because I'm not really a sweets guy. DiVincenzo. Under 2 clean underpants. Yeah, I don't wear undies, so that's always an under. That's an easy under. Is it another gold? Possibly another gold. Either that or it's yellow. Here's another purple. It's Danny Green for the Cavaliers. Cam Reddish, Chet. Photo variation of Ochai for the Jazz. And our last autograph, it's Patty Mills, Disco Auto for the Nets. Patty Mills. Karl-Anthony Towns. And another photo variation. We got Keegan in the same one. That was interesting. And we get a photo variation of Keegan to end it. Wasn't the best one on that one, guys. Chinese Revolution's next, guys. Take all of your Jags promotions in the store, guys. I got to give away, I think, 2 or 3 more spots. 2 more spots I got to give away. So we give away another full case of Esblez repacks. That's my goal. I want to get at least 2 more off. But if we can get more than 2 more Jags promotions off, that's totally fine, guys. The main thing is I'm giving things away for you guys on this beautiful Aloha Friday. All right, recap, guys. missing an auto? Huh.